Welcome from Durres, Albania.
Yes! So today, a day of exploring. We'll take you to explore Durres city in Albania. Seems like we are now in the port city of the Albania, right? And
Yeah.
Durres long time ago was the capital city of Albania, but nowadays the capital's already moved to Tirana. And then so we will explore, because I read that Durres has lots of history and lots of things to do and explore.
So not only all-inclusive hotel, but also we have to explore. You know us, we always explore as much as possible. And also this one is the Venetian Tower. This is the science, historical. What does remind you, Sayang? The sound of the loud bikes.
Loud bikes and people riding here with no helmet.
That's actually cool.
Oh, boss.
Venetian Tower is the memory from the Roman Empire. There's the water also. And we are walking now. We're gonna go to the walking street. Let's go. Like Winnie said, actually people here driving the motorbike, the scooters with no helmets. That's cool.
This is in Europe, but little bit like in Asia. Driving motorbike with no helmet, no problem.
Okay, let's go. That's actually nice. Today is really nice weather, I have to say. Some coffee bars here, similar like in the Horvacy, in Croatia. However, it's similar, same, but different. Balkans are a different vibe here, Sam. I have to say. Okay, let's go.
We are in the Venetian Tower behind us, Kohanye, and this one is the memory from the Roman Empire. Right. So now let's go explore there.
I heard, Sayang, as the summer here is the Colosseum also, or something like that, or amphitheater. Like, okay, we have to go there.
Okay, there's a group of tourists over there, but we will go there.
Little bit of the street view and street filming situation like this one.
I think that if we walk straight over there, this is the amphitheater, the ruins. But let's see. Oh, there are so many.
It's like a very nice contrast, because you can feel like abandoned building in the city center, kinda, still developing country with the full amount of fancy Land Rovers and Mercedes everywhere. That's actually funny. But that's how the Albania actually, what I heard about from the stories long time ago. That's probably not much change. Okay, that's the street situation. Little alleys walking around. Legura vibes, huh?
Tako hanya come. Don't walk on the street.
Why?
Maybe the car will hit
Sayang,
you.
cables. You miss cable?
No. Hey, let's walk here and we will go to the Boulevard Epidam. No?
Boulevard?
Yes. And then let's go there.
Let's go. I like the honking. So there was the Venetian Towers, and this is this boulevard with the boutiques, shops, hotels, and the palm trees characteristic. So look like a nice street generally somewhere.
Right. So now we are in Boulevard Epidam, like the name of our hotel where we stay. So today we will explore how is the the boulevard situation, and I read this one is the center of like eat street, hotel, shop, and there are so many things happening here. So let's see.
Also feels peaceful here. It's clean, it's nice, tidy up. At least this is the one of the main street here. But it's pretty quiet though, I could say, isn't it?
Maybe because it is weekdays, Kohanye. Maybe on the weekend probably busier. And one thing this is just because of the end of the season, holiday season, but you still can spot tourists on the street. And then, like I told you, this street is famous for the eat street. Like there are so many restaurants, cafe bar, something like that. You see. Coffee shop,
the bed.
And then that's the Epidam Garden. It's actually the hotel, is the same hotel where we stay, Epidam.
Which one?
That's Epidam Garden,
Okay, nice.
And you see that on the left, that money changer, souvenir shop, and hello. and then ice cream shop, and then many things. We will buy something in the souvenir shop, something
buy.
here.
Generally speaking, it feels like we are walking somewhere on the premium street, because I think this is premium street actually here in Durres.
And there are, you know, many hotels, many restaurants, many shop, fancy shop, and yeah, what I see is that many
like-
cars parking on the street.
Look like a fancy boulevard in California. And everywhere you can see, except the shops and a few hotels, also the coffee bars. We have
will
to go one.
No?
I know we drink everything, ale we have to go. We can buy some Albanian souvenirs. We're also gonna buy something, some magnets. And we have to go to the amphitheater. Huh?
Yes,
And
so
fun-
that's actually there.
You know what? Many fancy cars here. Huh?
That's the thing, you know.
Actually, to be honest, we have to climb few steps, but this is the amphitheater here. Actually, what they found some time ago, that's the Roman amphitheater. As you can see, they discovered the ruins here, and on the other side, actually, there are still people living, because the houses were built here on the area of amphitheater. So that's very interesting. But that's actually how does it look like. And in the background, you can have a look also of the modern condos, I could say, apartment buildings, the tall one there next to the water. Here, this is the amphitheater, and this kind of buildings, actually what they are fronting the Boulevard, which is the main street, they are on the top of the amphitheater. That in short. Interesting.
And behind you, the background is the Adriatic Sea.
That's right. So where this guy is going from, there is the amphitheater. This is the nice view actually of the Boulevard where we came from. And here is some sort of square,
Yes.
actually, like
This
a
is the city square or something
city
like that.
square.
As you see that there in the middle is the fountain, and here I think that on the left, as you see, this is the mosque, right? Kahani Mosque.
Because
And-
interesting fact, as is half of the Albanian or
Albanian?
Albanese people, they are Muslim.
So 50% of them.
Yeah.
And then you see on the left, on the right side, this is just like they are developing, right? Kahani, more and more, they developing more and more building. You see this, there. It's just like a mix between the old architecture, old building architecture, and also a brand new.
That's the thing. It's like a mix. And they are everywhere construction, slowly. They're even building some higher buildings there. This one is something. Then there is like old buildings. And that's the one of the taxis.
Which
Pink
is
one.
motorbike,
And motorbike
no
carry this
helmet,
one.
no problem.
So,
I don't
no
know how it is.
problem.
I don't know how it is, but where the place where we used to live in Bali is just like people not wearing helmet wherever they go. But here seems like a kind of the feeling that
Kinda normal.
normal thing.
Probably
no?
it's not normal, but it's okay.
And yeah, right behind me is the fountain. I don't know what is it called, the name. But Kohani, show me 360 around. Follow me 360. On the left, on the right side, and yes, that's the view of the mosque, the apartment. I think that the government building, and that's the thing. Yeah, that's the government building. Okay, let's go back there. Let's go to the Riva. Not Riva.
I don't know, in the Balkans maybe it's
no.
Riva, no?
No, yes.
Promenade
it's
by the water.
promenade. Okay, let's go there.
So it's pretty hot now. When we
So
came here, was actually pretty chilly. I mean, it was warm enough for the jacket, little bit. It was raining, and now suddenly it's actually too hot.
Okay,
They have a nice taxis here, though, by the way.
let's go.
Co to jest?
Ha?
Co?
Nie wiem.
Durres?
Albania Durres.
No tak. And here is the Hotel Epidam, what we stay by the beach, wild sensation. And this one is garden in the city with the very nice architecture, by the way, sir.
No,
Very old, cool, cool.
Which is
vibes.
the premium one.
Not bad. With the look like a Roman architecture little bit.
No.
And of course the old legend says as Albanians love Mercedes. And what is it? Mercedes with Albanian registration. Well, we recently also buy Mercedes, but that's a different story. And yeah, going to the where? Somewhere there. Let's find the way, sir,
Okay,
to navigate.
let's go there first.
We got water for 80 lakes, Albanian lakes, which is less than €1 in the bar, actually, because there's not many shops here what I could find. It's pretty hot. Magnets are only 100 lakhs here, which is like exactly €1 per magnet in the most busiest street in the tourist area. So generally speaking, Albania is one of the cheapest places in Europe right now. That's just interesting thing. Moldavia probably is cheaper, but Albania most likely is the cheapest by many ranking. Interesting fact. And there's not too many people anywhere, just generally. The traffic jams, they are not existing here, I think so, at least not here, or at least not in this
The
week.
thing is clean.
It's clean. It's
It is.
clean. It's
I
safe.
didn't see any homeless here.
Yeah, no homeless. It's clean, and it feels very safe actually. So that's cool. Okay, waterfront. There. Albania still develop, and it's actually developing more and more because this building, fancy one, is Crown Plaza actually, 5-star hotel, facing the ocean. There is a lot of symbols of the and so many wars oncoming here actually in Albania also, because similar to Poland a little bit with so much historical things. And there is the Rolling Stone and Tina Turner statue actually as the freedom, fight for freedom and symbol of freedom actually. There are nice restaurants on the water side. Maybe we can walk a little bit there. You feel hot?
Gorąco.
Really?
Polsce to jest zimno. Zimno, no?
No.
Ale tutaj to jest gorąco.
Do you like it here in Albania?
No,
No.
no. Idziemy, chodź.
Make a video, show the people,
Tak.
to the people.
Yeah.
But the amount of how quiet it is here actually,
Yeah.
it's interesting. So this is the Tina Turner. That's the Bob Dylan there. Yes, sayang.
Yes. You take a picture
Similar
of me?
actually. Yeah.
Similar?
Yeah. Very
Okay.
similar. That's the Bob. I don't know the other guys here actually.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
go explore.
Yeah. And that's the Durres.
Durres city.
Durres city.
It was the capital of the Albania, but now the capital moved to Tirana. That's it.
Yeah.
And that's the apartment building, I guess.
Most of people actually, if they traveling to Albania, they coming to all-inclusive because this is I think the only one country in Balkans who have all-inclusive options on the hotels, like a proper resorts and everything.
Yeah.
Because Montenegro and Croatia is more for exploring. Croatia is already pretty Western, and well, prices are also Western. Here is actually feel very, I could say, actually it's probably even sometimes cheaper than back in Bali.
No,
To be
no,
honest.
that's true. That's true.
true.
That's true. What I can see is that if you explore, like in the city, for example, there are so many buildings. What I feel, Southeast Asian country, like the capital cities of the Indonesia, Jakarta, Thailand, Bangkok, Singapore, Malaysia, and Kuala Lumpur is more developed than the capital city here in Albania. And the
Yeah.
cities, big city in Albania.
Also,
what I
Albania
can see.
really wants to join European Union.
Yeah.
Because even the registration, like you saw in this previous Mercedes, is already like with this characteristic blue strip instead of the European flag is just the Albanian
Eagles.
symbol,
Yeah.
eagles with the two hats. But they still pretty far. They have still many things to develop until they were gonna join. However, this one day they're gonna join, and whenever they're gonna join, they already in the European Union. After a few years, it will happen exactly what's happened with Croatia, with Croatia, which Croatia gonna be almost it's like Western country like Italy or Spain, and exactly that's gonna happen here in Albania. But it's good to be here until still it is how it is.
And for those probably Albanian or Albanese, I don't know what to call, who watch us, what would you prefer? What would you like to be? Would you like to be the part of the European Union later on, or you just want to stay still, Albanian country? So you can leave a comment here. Or maybe you've got the Albanian roots. What do you think about Albania in the future?
Because like we work here in the main promenade in the Durres, one day it's gonna be covered with full of restaurants on the side, hotels, probably umbrellas, tables on the promenade and everything, but it's not yet, but it's gonna be. That's actually what we mean for.
The thing is that, the more closer you to this kind of the area, and then as you can see that behind me is already, the restaurant, block of the restaurant, coffee shop, and the hotel as the background. So yeah, this is what I mean, like split in Croatia, like kochanie?
Just probably like 20 years ago.
Yes.
Or something like that. Yeah, but there are some people actually there also coming and everything. So that's how does it look like?
Kochanie, one thing that I see, the amount of the stray dogs here, quite many. Look at this one, this doggo, which is?
Not doggos.
From the restaurant feed them.
No, here is like some sort of mall or something, so we're getting inside. We're gonna have a look.
So we are walking to the kind of, that's behind me, a restaurant complex of kind of the mall. Now we just go here in this area. This one is kind of the bridge, and that's in front of me is the hotel. Right, that's a hotel, kochanie.
I think so. Let's see.
So this is what I see about Durres. Actually, like I explained before, this is the mix of the brand new building. As you see behind me, there are so many brand new buildings. And then that's next to it, there are also old apartment and old hotel, and that's there also nice brand new hotel. And as you see that there are so many cranes there, and that's the port over there. So yeah, we can see that there's development still.
And this is the street situation outside of behind this restaurant. There is the promenade.
Yes, and I think that this is the busiest street because it's close by the promenade. As you see on the left, on the right side, like people parking their cars on the street. And then restaurant on the left, on the right side, apartments, hotels, bar, restaurant. Here the coffee shop, they call it as bar. Bar, it doesn't mean like the place to go a discotheque. Bar is for the coffee shop.
That's the thing, and this is where we're heading now, son.
That's
the thing. That's the whole entire thing. Little bit of street vlogging like we used to do. Especially I used to do years ago. Not that years ago, not that long ago. Somebody have apartment, some bars.
This is the old registration
of Albania.
This is
the old registration before, yeah.
With the red something like that, no?
No.
But nowadays the registration is changing, like a blue like this, like a blue like this.
Like everywhere, yeah.
Yeah.
Because they want to join you.
European Union. So what do you think for the Albanian? Would you like to be like that? Or you just want to stay to be like Albania nowadays?
Probably 50-50. Some of the people like this, some of them like that. Oh, another one with the red one. Right. And by the way, another interesting thing, I didn't film it before. This is the petrol station. The petrol here is so expensive actually, 175 legs for the 1 liter of petrol, or 95 for the diesel, which is about almost €2 per liter. This is actually more expensive than in Poland.
No.
Way more expensive actually. Crazy. Generally this one feels like a most central street, central business district, whatever. There are some apartment buildings, there are some modern buildings, there are palm trees, and yeah, generally Albania vibe here in Durres, which is like almost north and central Albania. because also some of the people think is the most beautiful part of Albania is actually in the south Albania, nearby the Greek border. But this is like for the exploring. But it's like such a big influence from Greece down south, and it's a little bit different landscape. And this one here is like a real Albania regarding the, you know, the geographically, the real Albania. Whew. Actually, about the weather, it's a beginning of October, but it's pretty warm now. Only the first day when we arrived was chilly.
Yeah. The weather changing.
The weather changed.
So we decided to stop for the coffee. Look at this one. We're just parking in the corner and many cars are difficult to go. This is Albania, DEA. Okay. And I'll show you around. We stop in one nice coffee shop in the corner. That's the Venetian Tower. And here, I think this one is the most busiest coffee shop and the most fancy coffee shop. Kohanyan sitting enjoying the coffee. He already got headache with the heat. He didn't used to with the heat with that. And then this is how it looks situation. The coffee shop. Right, so it's actually a day of exploring Durres city in Albania. And
one thing about the taxis here, there is no Uber, there is no Bolt, there is no Grab, there is no anything like, you know. However, there is Speedy Taxi and few other apps what you can order the taxis for the fixed fare online, or you can just take traditional taxis everywhere. The taxis have a yellow registration with red letters, so they are official here and there are quite many of them. Our trip for about 15 or 20 kilometers cost us €15 approximately. So yeah, it's pretty convenient. They drive nice cars actually as the taxis here. We got an electric Volkswagen actually, and usually they are nice cars. So this is where we started our video. Now we are just gonna enjoy our rest of our holiday. Wanted to show you a little bit of Durres. Let me know what do you think. Maybe you're gonna plan to come to Albania now after watching our video. And yeah.
yes, so this is actually how it is, the city of Durres. And I personally really enjoy it. I mean, you know, even it's quiet, end of season, but it's really enjoyable.
I mean, actually, if we come here in July or August, we'll be quite busy probably, and we'll be very hot. That's what you have to know. But now it's just perfect weather.
Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video from Albania.
See ya,
Bye.
take care.